Hi everyone, welcome to Transferwise Finance. In this short video, I will show you how to withdraw money from your Wise account to a bank account. That is, moving money from your Wise account to your bank account. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is to log in into your account. And once you have logged in into your account, here on the home page, all what you need to do is to come here under accounts and choose the account where you want to withdraw money from, or rather send money from. So I'll be sending money from my USD account, so I just need to come and click on it. So here you can see that I have got $10 on my USD account. I'm going to be withdrawing from this balance, and you can see that there are a lot of options over here. There is add, convert, send, request, and then there is more. So what we are going to be using in order to withdraw money from our Wise account, you need to come and press on send. Then here we have got two options. We have got international and same currency. So if you go with the same currency, it's more like you are withdrawing money to a bank account that is also in USD. In short, a USA based bank account. You would need to go with the same currency over here. So here you just need to come and press on continue. Then here you need to choose if the bank account is owned by you, you need to press on myself, or if it is owned by someone else, you just need to come and press on someone else. Then all what you need to do here is to enter the account details of the bank account you want to withdraw money to. In this case, the first thing that you are going to enter is the email address. Then you need to enter the routing number over here. Then after that, you need to enter the account number. Then when you scroll down, you need to choose whether it is a checking or savings account. So there you can choose the country of residency of the person you are sending money to, the city, and then the address. Then you also need to enter the postal code. After that, all what you need to do is to press confirm. So this is how you would withdraw money to a USA based bank account. I will show you in real time an example on how to withdraw money from your account. In my case, since I'm based in Turkey, I'm going to be withdrawing the money to a Turkish-based bank account. So I will not go with the same currency since I'm moving money from a USD account to a Turkish lira account. So I need to go with the international option. In here, you need to choose the name of the country over here. Like you just need to type the name of the country where your bank account is based. So in my case, it is Turkish lira. I just need to choose it. Then in here, you need to enter the amount. Since I'm only showing you, I'll just go with $2. So you can see that I'll be transferring $2 from my USD account on Wise to my Turkish lira bank account. And you can see that it's going to cost us $1.47. You might be thinking that it is way too expensive, like to just withdraw $2 each costing us this much. That's not the case. It is actually very cheap to withdraw money from your Wise account. So if I'm to change from $2 to $100, you will find that to withdraw $100, it is only going to cost us $2.49. Like that's very cheap. So we are being charged for $2 $1.47 because Wise works with a fixed fee. So you just need to come and scroll down. So I'll be withdrawing this much just to show you, and then I'm going to be receiving this much on my Turkish bank account. So after entering the amount and choosing the country there, all what you need to do is to come and press on continue. So here, if you have transferred money from a Wise account to a bank account in the past before, those transactions are going to appear over here. So you can just click one and repeat the transaction. Like there will be no need of entering bank account details once again. But I'm going to be withdrawing to a new bank account. So if the account is in your name, you need to go with myself. Whereas if you are transferring money or rather withdrawing money to a bank account that is owned by someone else, you need to come and press on someone else. Then in here, all what I need to do is to enter the email address of the person who owns the bank account I want to withdraw money to. So I will go ahead and enter the email address. So after entering the email address, the next thing that you need to do is to enter the bank account details. You can see over here that all what is needed is the full name of the account holder and the IBAN. So in some countries, you're only going to require few details in order to withdraw money from your Wise account, whereas withdrawing money to other countries, it might require a lot of details. So I will go ahead and fill the name and the account number, the IBAN. So this is the name of the person I'm transferring money to. So I just need to copy this name and come and paste it over here. Then I also need to copy the IBAN and come and paste it under IBAN. Once you have entered the bank account details, all what you need to do is to press confirm. Then here you need to review the details you have entered. You need to check if all the entries are correct. So you just need to scroll down and check if everything is okay. And if you find that there's any mistake, you can just press the edit button and you'll be able to edit. On top of that, you can also schedule the withdrawal. So let's say if you don't want the money to be withdrawn right away, you just need to come and edit here and choose the date, like the day when you want the money to be withdrawn to the bank account. Once you have verified that everything is okay, everything is accurate, all what you need to do is to come and press on it, confirm and send. Then here, in order to confirm the withdrawal, you need to enter your Wise password. So I will go ahead and enter my Wise password. In order to finalize the withdrawal, all what you need to do is to enter the confirmation code sent to your cell phone number. You need to enter it over here. Then after entering it, you just need to come and press on done once again. So you can see over here that the money has been sent to the bank account successfully. So all what you need to do, you can either come over here to track the transaction, or you just need to cancel over here and wait for the funds to appear on the bank account. So I will go ahead and press on it, track your transfer. You can see that the transaction has been initiated now, and the money is expected to reach the bank account by tomorrow at 9. And if you check under accounts here, you can see that my USD account balance has reduced to 80 from 10. All what you need to do at this stage is to wait for the money to reflect on the bank account. So this is how you withdraw money, or rather send money from your Wise account to your bank account. Thank you very much for watching all the way to the end. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please do give it a thumbs up. And if you want more videos like this one from me in the future, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For now, bye bye. See you in the next video.